On this video, I'm going to take you through our e-learning platform, that is Codestar Technologies. And as you can see, we have got almost around 103 students who have enrolled in our platform, though we have got some individuals who have not activated their accounts, and again some of the individuals also who have not enrolled for any course. So we'd like to ask you to do that in case when you get time, go through our courses and you can enroll. And again, in case maybe you have any problem to do with activating your account, you can write to us, or you can write to us via the WhatsApp. There is a link for WhatsApp. When you open our website, you will see that one. So you can write, you can contact us, and we're going to get back to you and assist you. So this is something that we started this June this year, and as you can see, we have got some guys who are right now taking Python programming. We have got others who are doing web development and so forth. We appreciate and data science and so forth. Like we have a guy even from Cameroon, and as you know that we are based here in Kenya, so we appreciate a lot. Cosmas, wherever you are, thanks a lot from us, and we would like to ask you even to share the link to other guys also, for them to get to enjoy this kind of education. Now, first of all, I would like to take you to the first thing that you normally see when you enter to our website. So when you write codestar.co.ke, this is what you're going to see. And as you can see, in case maybe you want to see some of the courses that we offer, you can click on that link, and you're going to see this image, this flyer, which you can download and even check some of the courses that we offer. The prices is in Kenyan money, Kenyan shillings, and it's very, very cheap. You can't get a course that doing a course for 2 months for just 5,000 Kenyan shillings. It's not possible. And the most important thing with our courses is not like any other course that you go and enroll for online platforms that you can get there, because in those platforms you'll find that they have recorded the videos and it's up to you to follow the videos. But in this case, our focus is to help you 24/7 so that you can get to learn these courses that we are offering here. So it's not a matter of just going through the video and so forth. The most important thing is to take you through the course, and even once you complete your course, it's good to make sure we normally make sure you do a project. Maybe if it's a programming, like when we talk about Python programming, you'll have to do a project as a final part of your course. Now, so once you take time to check that one, and feel free to contact us. And again, I would like to start by saying that if you need to register to our platform, it's free of charge. You don't need to pay anything. So you can click on this button, and it's going to open this where you can enter your details so that you can register. And once you register, it's good to make sure you write the correct details plus the phone number with the country code and a valid email address, because once you enter that, you're going to get an activation link that you'll use to activate your account. Again, your password here needs to be very, very strong, so make sure you write a very strong password. And once you do that, you'll get an activation mail which you can click and activate. For those guys who have not activated their accounts, feel free to contact us so that we can assist you on how you can activate your account. Now let's get back, and our learning platform has got 3 panels. That is the admin panel, there is the tutor panel, and again there is the student panel. And in this video, I would like to talk about the 2 panels for the student and the tutor. I would like to start with the tutor. This is because as a tutor, you can just join us. You can come up with your own course and with your own content and start training that course, and we just share with us a small commission for that matter, so that we can it will enable us to run this platform. So I will start with the tutors panel. So as a tutor, you'll have to log in using this area. So we will create the tutor's account. It's not you whom you normally create your account. We normally create, that is the work of the admin, to create a tutor account. And once your account is created, now you can change your password and so forth. So I'll assume now I have this account, which is a demo account that we have for our tutor, a demo tutor. So once you log in as a tutor, the first thing that you see is the notice board, whatever is written on the notice board, because we communicate about exams when you are supposed to prepare exams and so forth. Again, intakes, again, maybe some of the events that we have, and they are going to be listed according to the dates and so forth. So that is the first thing. Like in case when you go to any institution, the first thing that you normally see is the notice board, and I think it has got a very big font that you can check, and you can see what is happening. Now the next thing is the timetable. The tutor needs to go through the timetable, and you can check timetable for various courses like that. So you can see it's arranged in time and days here. So you can see if it's computer math, it's on a Monday, not date, but at 8 to 10, something like that. So that is another thing that you need to check. As a tutor, the most important thing is to know your units, the units that have been allocated to you. And as you can see here, we have got so many units, but this is a demo account. So let me pick, for example, I want to pick something that exists. So first of all, the unit name, the lessons content, like this is where you normally upload your content. This is where you normally upload the assignments. You can check the exams here, or set exams here. You can view the attendance for subject, that is how the student have attended your lessons, and also you can upload the course outline here. So that's how you normally do that. So I'll assume I want to access like ICT certificate. You can view the lessons, so you can create a new lesson where you normally enter either notes, past papers, any other content that you want to share with the student. But in this case, I will assume like you prepared notes, and it's a certain topic that you're going to train your student. Date, you specify on which date, and again you will have like to create a classroom. You can create either using Zoom, that is the video call systems, platforms that we have. We have got so many free platforms that you can use. There's Kinetic here in Kenya. There is something like that. There is Zoom. There is Google Meet. There is also which other platforms? Yeah, there are those kind of platforms. Teams. There is Microsoft Teams and so forth. But also we have ours, which we are going to implement here, like a few days coming. So we have already done it. It's a matter of just integrating it here, so that you can just select room directly. There's no problem with that. You just have a drop down menu which you can pick a room, and you're good to go. So once you have that, you might have reference materials like a website, a blog site, or maybe a video on YouTube that you can share with the students so that they can go through. So if it's notes, you'll have to upload like that. You click on that link, upload your content, and you are good to go. The materials you can upload in form of MS Word or PDF. It's okay, and the size is limited to a certain size. I'll share with you. Now, once you upload the content, it's going to be visible here, and you can maybe need to update your content. You can click there and update the resources, because maybe you might need to reuse the content. This is how you normally do it, and as you can see, this is how it's going to display. And in case maybe you might need to delete, you can also click on the delete, and that is how you upload the materials to the student. And these materials are the ones that you're going to use on the class when you attend online. So in case maybe you want to join the room, the class, you will just do the same thing, and click on this link so that you can join your lessons. So let me assume like I need to access another subject. Like for example, let me talk about there is let me try to use like structure programming, something like that, or maybe, but in case let me use structure programming, something like this. This is how it's going to display. And let me assume I want to check what I've link. This is a link that links to YouTube. Maybe class, you can click the class like Zoom and so forth. So that's how it looks like. It doesn't have any difference. But for for the first time to be on this platform, I don't think whether it's going to have anything. It's going to have something like this. Yeah, there is no materials, so you'll have to upload materials from scratch. That's how it looks like. So don't get shocked when you start. And that's how you upload the resources. For the assignment, I can say like you can upload assignment for this subject, and as you can see we have an assignment here. You can add a new assignment. You specify the title, the date which is supposed to be submitted, and you browse your assignment, upload. Once you upload, the student, they will be able to view, and you can view the results, whether the student have submitted. So you can see the student name. You can also check what the assignment they have submitted, that is the student and assignment. So you download the student's assignment, mark. Once you mark the assignment, you'll enter the score, and once you enter the score, you update the score so that it can be visible to the student's portal. So that's how it works on this area of assignment. Again, if we talk of something to do with like exams, I can say, for example, let me pick which subject. I think we have computer maths, which is computer maths, which is, I have a sample there. Which is computer maths, I think it's down here. So let me say exams like this one. So as you can see, we have got you can add a new exam. Choose the series. The series is going to be set by the admin, and the number of questions. You enter the total score, and the exam, you can set it visible or invisible. You can hide it. Remember, you will have to set the time when the exam is. You will have to communicate to the student when the exam is going to start and end. And once it ends, it means you are going to hide the exams, so that the student cannot continue doing their exams. So it's a multiple choice exam, as you can see, and this how you check the exams. And for example, if you want to set the questions, you'll have to click here and add a new question like this, write the question, choices, and so forth. As you can see, this is how you normally do it, the correct choice and so forth. So we are going to modify this one to have a kind of a editor, which is like MS Word with the bold, italic. You can add images and so forth. So we are going to modify this one very soon. It's only that we have not uploaded the latest version for this. We're going to do that, so there is no problem with that. So that's how you normally do that. And once you are done with that, now the student, you don't need to mark the exams. When the student do the exam, it is going to be marked. And also, as you can see, the edit button is not working well because we have not uploaded the final copy for this. So that is how it works. And about units, I think I've talked about uploading the resources, the assignment, the exams. You can view the attendance, maybe how the student have attended, something like that. So as you can see, student name, something like that, number of attendance, and you can take action for that matter. Course outline is the same way. You need to browse the material and upload for the student to be able to see what they are supposed to cover. So again, there is message. You can check the messages that are written to you, or else you can also send message either to a specific person like the admin or rather student. Then you can change your password, and again you can also log out. So I think there is no problem. Notice board, timetable, units that you're doing, and units are well organized. So in case maybe you might need us to improve on this, feel free to communicate with us, because this is what we normally do. Systems are developed to be upgraded every time anytime the need comes. So let me log out on the tutors panel and now get to the students panel. And on the student panel, the first thing that you need to do is the register. As I said, you need to register with the correct details. So you'll get an activation mail, and you'll click the activation mail to activate your account. And once your account is activated, now you can log in. And in this case session, as I said, I created these accounts for demonstration and to demonstrate how it works. So I have demo.codestar.co.k. When you log in, you'll see also the notice board as a student, and this will enable you to get to know when the exams is taking place, and things like when you're supposed to pay your, we will remind you like when you to pay your fees and so forth. So that is the work of the admin to post on the content on the notice board. But in case maybe you might have something that you need to be posted on the notice board, you can just write as a message to the admin, like the same way we have got a way to send message. You can just write send your message here to the admin, and it's going to be modified in a way that you'll be able to edit and do all those kind of stuff. It's a kind of editor. There is a way we normally put it. It looks like an MS Word. So that's how you can do it. Again, you can update your password. You can log out. This button for log out and so forth. So discussion for the student. Who want to discuss about some of the, sorry, was it discussion? Yeah, discussion is this one. But also we have got a newer version of this. It's going to be uploaded so that it's going to be regrouped as per subject, as per course, something like that, so that the student can communicate very well in topics that they need to communicate. So that is on the discussion. Now let's assume it's your first time to log into our system. As I said, you'll view the notice board, and the first thing that you need to do is to enroll from at least one course. As you can see, we have got free courses also, and these resources are free of charge, only that we don't offer classes for these ones, that is lessons for these ones, for the real free lessons. So the first thing that you need, once you specify which course that you want to take, your work is just to click the button for enroll, and this is going to specify whether you have enrolled for that course, or maybe it is going to enroll. It's going to tell you your enrollment is successful, and once the enrollment is successful, the next thing is that we are going to receive your application. And once we receive your application, once you receive your application, we are going to send you an invoice and details on how you can make your payments. Remember, as I said, we have got guys who are even outside the country, like even Cameroon. So we'll have to send you the best method of payment that you can use to make your payment. We have got MoneyGram, which is the fastest as we speak. It's the one that we have used before, and it works very well. So once you get the invoice, you'll make your payment, and once you make your payment, now you can start learning. So to start learning, you just need to click on my courses, and you'll be able to see your courses that you have enrolled and their status. Remember, you can enroll for one or two more courses that you might be interested in. So there is on status is going to show whether you have completed, it's active, or it's blocked. It's blocked because maybe you have not paid the fees. So once you pay, it's going to be unblocked, so it's going to be activated and it's going to show active. The first thing you need to check is your timetable before starting your whatever. And as you saw the timetable for the tutor, we are going to modify these ones on the student panel so that it can have the same view where you can check as per course. And also we have got some more features that we are going to add on the type 2. Like you can click the link and it's going to take you direct to the subject. That is something that we are going also to implement very, very soon. So just check the day and the time and the subject that you're going to take. And once you have that one, we also are going to have a button to download for you to download. But you can just take a photo that you can have on your mobile phone, and so that you can check when you are supposed to do to have a certain lesson, maybe at a certain time. So check your timetable, and once you check your timetable, now you can start learning. Let me assume you want to learn like module 2 NEC. These are some of the NEC courses that you normally offer here in Kenya. So I provide these materials free of charge. Let me use this one as an example. So you'll have to click on start learning, and you'll view some of the units that are associated with that subject, that course, or rather they are subjects that are associated with that course. So as you can see, we have got several courses here. So let me pick, like for example, structure programming, and you can see the tutor is Mr. Eric. It's just for the demo part. Learning resources, you will check them here, or if you want to start learning, you'll have to join through this one. Course outline you can download. Assignments you'll have to check from here. Exams from this here is per subject, and attendance, if you want to know your attendance also, you'll have to use that. So that is how it goes. And let me start by checking the structure programming content. So when the tutor uploads the content, you'll see the date, and now you can start learning. You'll have to download the materials that you can get to move together during the lessons together with the tutor. You refer to the resources that you have, and again, if you want to join, as I said, you click this join to join the session of the classroom, and once you click here, automatically the system is going to record that you have attended your session. That's how it works. And the reference materials, like as I said, the blog site that the tutor maybe might share, or website that the tutor, or even video tutorials that from YouTube that the teacher might share, you can view via the reference. So that is it on the how you attend the lessons, and how you can download some of the resources that we have here. So let's get back to maybe assignment, like how do you submit assignment. Let me pick a subject like this, module 1, and I will pick a subject like this one. I think there's one that has got the assignment. So for the assignment, you need to click there, and you can view the assignment. You will have to download the assignment. To submit the assignment, you click here and upload the assignment. When you upload the assignment, the tutor will be able to view the assignment, mark the assignment, and once the assignment is marked, now it is going to be visible, like you can see the results that your results, they are going to be displayed. What is the problem? There must be an option for results. We will have that one. I think it's an error that we skipped when we were coding. So when we upload the newer version, it's going to have an option where you can see what you got in that assignment. So that's how it works on the side of assignment. So I don't think whether there is something which is remaining on the student part, but in case maybe you might need further assistance, I think that is you're going to okay, I have now let's go back to, it's about exams. And for the exams, now I can say start and check maybe like we had exams on the computer months. So exams, you click there, and as a student you can see questions, marks, how many marks is up. Then the action, you start doing your exams. You pick like that and submit your exams, and once you submit your exams, it's going to be marked, and once it is marked, now you can go back and view the results. What you got, it's going to be displayed on how much you got for that subject. So you will have to see that, or even after doing your exams and submit your answers, there is going to display a kind of a notification that is going to notify you how much you got, how much you missed, something like that. So that's how this part works for the exams part. So I think that's how that's all about our platform. So as I said, feel free to contact us, and as you can see, these are some of the links that you cannot access because the exams is these units are deactivated. So in case maybe you might have any problem, you can use this part to contact us, and there's no problem with contacting us because we're going to get back to you within the shortest time possible. So that is it. I think it has been a long video, but it's worth showing you taking you through through our platform. So feel free to share the link of our website or platform with other people, your fellow students, maybe in university colleges, because as I said, some of the courses that we normally offer here, like Python, data science, web development, graphic design, are some of the things that you're not going to find they are not well done in universities and colleges. So the reason we normally offer them here is because we want to make you gain the skills or get the skills that are needed in the job market. That's the most important thing that we normally do here. So as you can see, even the some of the courses that you normally cover in universities and colleges, some of those resources we normally share them here free of charge. We don't need to charge for that. But for those subjects that we feel that is very, very important for you to cover, especially they are needed here outside in job market, this is now what we are charging, and our focus is on the skills until you do a project. Now you get certified, and these resources you access them in a lifetime, not just for only when you are doing your course. Still, if you have completed your course, you're capable of accessing the resources. So that is it, and thank you guys. So in case maybe it's your first time to be on this channel, remember to subscribe so that you can get notified whenever we upload videos that we share on our YouTube channel. And our topics that we normally talk about, many topics to do with the technologies, especially latest technologies and so forth. So feel free to subscribe, share and like this video in case maybe you feel it's worth the like. And again, in case maybe you might need to have an e-learning platform like this one, or maybe because we normally do several systems, and not only the e-learning systems but also point of sales and so forth. So feel free also to contact us. We can modify the system to fit on your institution, and yeah, so get in touch with us, and you're going to get help that you need. I appreciate a lot, and have a good time.